Alright guys, how you doing? In this video, Spike's going to help me unbox this military, I don't even know what it's called. We put it in the title what this thing's called. Alright, Spike's like a military man, so...
The military super truck.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell it's modelled on. Alright, so just before we try this one out, we're just going to test this out on the track that we're going to test it on and see how it compares. There you go. Alright, same track again. We're going to give this thing a little blast. This is an FDX Outback Mini. Oh, I'm surprised it got over that, you know.
Yeah, I think it's got more speed, isn't it?
Alright, we're all good to go. We're all charged up. We've got the battery in there. Headlights are on. The steering on this thing is epic. Go on, Spikeage. What's happening?
Well, that's all we get. Look, we got this very high quality little wheel here, but look.
This is all or nothing.
Yeah.
And it's weird, because normally toy grades just like tick tick.
Yeah, it is a bit strange, isn't it? Yes, he's happy though, look. The quality of that, look.
Oh.
And
It's quite fast.
You do actually get a couple of spare leaf springs, which
Yeah. Alright, how do you reckon it'll do on the course?
Yeah, I'm not giving it a great deal of hope, but we'll give it a go.
It's a throttle progressive.
Yes. Yes, it is progressive, but you'll find it's got no torque. Look.
Oh, we're off.
Back up a little.
We need to run up.
Yeah, this the back.
Yeah. Does it do an endo?
Yeah, probably would. It's a little one.
Hey!
Yeah, I need a little run up for that, I think.
Oh, she's off! Oh no!
Yes, all the way.
I didn't expect her to make it, I missed most of that. But she made it over.
Yeah. Is that a drift, was it? Oh.
That's a 10. Our steering is appalling.
Yeah, you try and do fine adjustment with it, Kev. It's a little bit finicky.
I mean, for 22 quid,
Yeah, I
in
mean,
America it's probably like $30.
if you're looking for a little bit of scale detail, then I suppose it's got
Oh,
that.
look, that rear axle.
What's happened to the rear
I
axle?
know, it's bouncing.
Oh, no, I know.
Is it
Oh,
broken?
oh, look!
This one's come off.
Look!
Is it broken?
You've broken it already. Springs out.
Is it meant to do that?
I think, look, the spring is supposed to be hooked up underneath there.
But that's like that as well.
No, look, it goes under there, doesn't it?
Does it?
There you go.
But this has done it as well then.
Oh, well, ping it back in then.
Alright. You see the steering kills the power, doesn't it?
Yeah, when you turn it, you lose drive.
They do it slowly. Endo!
Oh, what, sorry, I didn't realise you were going for it. Oh, no.
Oh, we got front drive!
Oh, we lost drive on the front now, good.
Oh, something fell out! Something fell out!
Oh, did it fall out? Oh, that's a bit of the prop shaft, that is, Kev.
Oh no, it's all... Oh, that's off!
Oh, it's lost it
That's
all.
off! That's off! That's off! Oh, it's off! Off!
It's all off, look.
It's gone!
It's gone. Rear props had it, front props had it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the spline on that.
You probably mend it.
Yeah, if we can find all the bits.
So we got it all clipped back together again, no damage. This steering's got loads of power. Hold on to the wheels. God knows how it works. Got the trim under here, look.
Oh, it does actually have trim, yeah. Or has it? Oh, yeah.
So, you said you wanted one. Do you still want one?
Not really. No.
How would you rate it?
Well, it depends what you want it for, really. I mean, if it...
It's good for 26 quid or 22 quid, whatever it is.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad little model, you know what I mean? It does actually work, but it's not... You couldn't really take it out and do anything more than just driving around on flat ground with it. And maybe, I suppose, you know, in your garden, like... But,
yeah. Even though I did get over this, it sort of falls apart every time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's probably only so many times it will fall apart, and it'll be sort of permanently apart. Won't it?
And if you had this on your lawn and one of these flew out, the chances are you'll never find it again.
Gone.
So yeah. And it seems to. I mean, it pulls its own springs out just by driving along.
All right, so a little quick tug of war, just for a bit of fun. You ready?
Yep.
Go. Oh, what?
Oh, go on. I'll let you pull it back a bit.
Ah, it is bigger though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, and now for a completely unfair comparison, this is a TRX4. If you want to see more of that, you're going to have a look at Spike's channel. Ah, it was almost too easy.
Oh, that's the only channel you get to that little narrow bit you put at the end.
Oh, look at that. You getting stuck?
Yeah, it was only because of the slidiness of that plastic.
I reckon you should jump it off the end.
It won't jump, does it?
Yeah, if you back it up and put it in high range, that'll jump.
Off of where? Just the end there? Or...
Yeah. Oh, carnage! I meant jump it, not crash it.
So put it in high range.
Yeah, high range, not Mount Everest bloody range. What happened?
Oh, I crashed it.
Ah, still works though, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I think for the price, it's not too bad, but I can't really honestly see myself really using it that much. But maybe like a Christmas present, birthday present for someone, maybe. So alright guys, thanks to Spike for helping make the video. Link to Spike's channel down below. So alright guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button, all that stuff. See you soon. Bye.